how to strike through on WhatsApp. To get started, first of all, you need to open the WhatsApp application. You will then be taken to this page where you can view the chat list. Now tap on any of the group chat from the list. Tap on this text bar at the bottom and type in a message. Then, tap on the number tab from the keyboard. After that, select the symbols on keyboard and tap on the symbol from the keyboard. Place the symbol in the starting and ending of the message. You can see a line has been drawn right in the middle of the text. Once you're done, hit the send button. You can see that the strike-through message has been delivered. So, by following these simple steps, you can go ahead and apply strike-through on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.